Hello again, everyone. I want to make a new home card today. This is for my nephew. He is one of the two boys of my brother who just recently died. And he had been living in the family home until recently. My brother and his wife were both in a nursing home. And he had been living in the family home, but he's moved out and he's bought now his own little cottage. He is a ranger. He works for the Forestry Commission, and he's got two lovely, lovely dogs. They're pointers, German something or other pointers. I'm not really up into dogs, but I wanted to get a couple of dogs into this card. I've got a little house die. I'm not sure of the make. I think it might be Alexander Renke. It might be Gummiapan. It might be Charlie and Pulchen. It's a continental one. It's not British. I know that much, or American. Could be. Did I say Alexander Renke? I don't know. Anyway, my idea is this: I have done New Home on the computer and printed it. I'm going to cut the panel with this die. I thought I would like a little aperture, and the house can either go in it or past the front of it. And why I've got three little mushrooms here is because of these. I'll show you. This nephew of mine made these. His father had made some mushrooms years ago, and he gave a couple to me. And they were really quite rough and ready looking things. The lathe was still in the garage, so my nephew took up wood turning, and he's made some beautiful things. I've given lots of these to friends. Christmas time, a couple of years running, I ordered a whole bunch of stuff from him. But in his new house, sadly, he hasn't got room for the lathe. I think he's going to have to build a shed. Because I said to him, I think I need to have more of you. Isn't it beautiful? I think it's laburnum. I think he told me this was laburnum wood. But beautiful. He's done little bowls and all sorts. Anyway, I digress. So I want to cut out my front panel, have my two dogs on there, have the house somewhere or other, and I'm not quite sure what to do about the recess, the bit that's in the back. Let me just cut out the front panel, and then I'll decide where we want the aperture. So that's got to go sort of centrally, just there. This brown it looks almost black. It was a very, very dark one. And my printer was playing silly kids, and I couldn't get it to stop printing and all the rest of it. So I'm going to use this one. Let's put that on just here because it's going to go through this way. Cut out this panel. Get that off carefully. Righty-ho. Now, the dogs, it's all kind of out of proportion, but I thought if these are in the foreground like this, I can get away with them being large. Have the aperture there, maybe, with the house, as if they're looking towards it in the distance. And I thought we'd put some mushrooms sort of in this corner here somewhere. I've just coloured these with some markers. The deeper one is E130. It's called copper. And the other one is reddish brass. That's just a little bit on the side of that mushroom there. I used a slightly lighter colour for the stem. I'll show you that one in a mo. That was E380 Ash Rose, it's called. So I thought they could just kind of go there. And maybe I'll use my little brass stamp just to, where is it? Here it is. Just to, you know, settle them in a little bit. And it looks like I haven't wiped it from the last time. Let me just give that a clean. This little stamp is so useful. It's from Art Impressions. And this is not my original one. My original one came from a set, a sheet. And I lost this particular one. And a dear kind lady, in fact, I think on the Isle of Man, said, I have a spare, I'll send it to you. Crafters are so, so kind. I think I'll use brown for the stamping for the grass here as well. This one's got a whisker that needs to come off, that's it. So let me cut a hole. We'll put that about there. Right. This is just a wonky circle. I'm not sure where this is from either. I buy these things when I see them, then forget where I got them from. Okay. There's my wonky circle. And I want to have something behind it, but I don't know what just yet. Let's just see. Let's get these mushrooms back. Let's just try a little grass. We'll have it the brown, the same. I think he'll see the significance of the mushrooms. I hope he will. I'm sure he will. Those can go kind of there. Those can go kind of there. The house, maybe like that. Let me just put it on my card front a moment. And then we'll see what we need to do to put something in that gap. Little bits of the bark have just come off. I think that's what all this is around the place. I was thinking of doing something just, I've got this stamp set. It's just random sort of impression of script. It doesn't actually say anything. It's just kind of, you know, a bit of nonsense, really. But I think I'll just try on a piece of scrap here. Why I'm not going to do it onto the background there, because I want to choose exactly which bit is showing in the gap. So I'm thinking in Tumbled glass, which is just sort of sky colour, and it's the one bit of relief from the brown of all that lot. So if I just stamp this onto here, and then I can move the window around to see which bit I like. I don't even know which way up this goes, if there is a right way up even. Let's just pop it on there. Really pale. Okay. I think that'd be quite nice, you see, just to me this looks the right way up. I don't know whether it is or it isn't. I think about there. I like that little bit. Okay, so if I cut off kind of here, right, and cut off there, and then some off the bottom. Hopefully I can get it back in where I wanted it. Okay, right, some foam tape now around this aperture. And now some just around the edge of the whole panel. Nearly time for a new roll of foam tape. Okay, so let's stick the doggies on. This gauge needle that I bought from Amazon seems to be a really satisfactory size. I think it's ever so slightly broader than the one that comes with the Bailey art, and so far since I've put this one in, it hasn't got clogged once, so hopefully things will be fine. Now, where did I have these? I think this one here. Where did I have them? Let's stick the mushrooms on. Right, this one I want as the main one. Right, let's have, where's my piece of stamping? Let's put this on the back. There. Now it's just how to mount this. I think what I'm going to do is to cut it from some foam sheet as a backing, and then it will fit exactly. Here's a bit of foam sheet. Let's find the house. Okay, here's a bit of cut from foam sheet. Just poke it through. Got a dear little heart. So there's our little foam sheet house. I'm just going to put some glue stick on that. Stick into my tweezers. There we are. Now I should be able to stick this on the top accurately. Yeah. And then I can take the backing off. The front part is still inside the die, you can see there. There we are. I've just got to get this little heart out of there. There we are. So I'll put some glue stick on this side as well, because I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put it yet. Just tuck it inside. There we go. Very, very clean and simple. Very minimalist. It kind of suits my nephew perfectly. He is a charming, charming young man. Now I'll just pop this onto the base. Glue stick over this. A little more adhesive where that is covering. There we are. So there we are. Really, really clean and simple new home card for my nephew. A forest ranger who's got 2 dogs, makes mushrooms on a lathe. So I hope he likes it, and I hope he'll be really, really happy in his new home. So thanks for watching, and do come back and see me really soon.